Good morning, boys and girls. How are you? Yes, we can sit down. Yes, so today we are going to discuss about how to convert meters into centimeters. We have already discussed the relationship between meters and centimeters. How many centimeters makes 1 meter? How many centimeters makes 1 meter? You carry up your hand and tell us how many centimeters makes 1 meter. Nazira? 100 centimeters is equals to 1 centimeter. So we are now going to change or to convert meters into centimeters. For example, we have 4 examples on the chalkboards. Number 1 is 9 meters. So we are going to change 9 meters into centimeters. So the first step you will say 1 meter is equals to how many centimeters? 100. Yes, 100 centimeters. Unaandika hivyo. Then you ask yourself, what if 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters? If 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters, what about 9 meters? What about 9 meters? What about 9 meters? So when you reach here, you'll now do what we call cross multiplication. Say cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means you'll take 9 meters, you multiply by 100 centimeters. Then this one will come down. Is it clear? Yes. Then from there you'll take 9 meters, multiply by 100 centimeters. Multiply by 100 centimeters all over 1 meter. All over 1 meter. Then you cancel meter with the meter. You cancel meter with the meter. Meter with meter. So the next step you take 9 multiply by 100 centimeters. When you multiply 9 by 100 centimeters, what will we get? What will we get? 9 multiplied by 100? 100 centimeters. Yes, our answer here will be 900 centimeters. 900 centimeters. Example 2. Let's do the 30 meters. The first steps are, I've said what?
1 meter.
Everybody?
1 meter is equal to 100.
Yes, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. Then, next step, you say? Mohammed? 30 meters? You say what about 30 meters? What about 30 meters will be? You now take, you do what we call cross multiplication. Unaonyesha na hiyo arrow hivyo. Then you do what? You take 30 meters multiply by 100 centimeters. Then you divide by 1 meter. So what will you do? You cancel meter and meter. So you remain with the 30 multiplied by 100 centimeters. What will we get? What will we get? Safia? 3,000 centimeters. 3,000 centimeters. So we have the next one. It has a decimal point. Let us work out a next example which has a decimal point. For example, we have 3.4 meters. 3.4 meters. This one will be, you say, the step remains. or the method remains 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. What about 3.4? This one will be, you do what we call cross multiplication. So you take 3.4 meters multiplied by 100 centimeters all over 1 meter. All over 1 meter. We cancel meter and meter. We remain with 3.4 multiplied by 100 centimeters. If you are multiplying a decimal with a number with a which is a multiple of 10, we do what? You cancel the last zero cancels the decimal point. So if we cancel by 0, this one remains 34. Then we multiply by 10. Inakuwa 340 centimeters. 340 centimeters. Then we have the last one with the fraction. The last one with the fraction, we have 3.5 meters. This one will be 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. What about 3.5? This one will be, when you cross multiply, you will take 3.5 multiply by 100 centimeters. This one are meters. All over 1 meter. So you cancel meter with meter. So we remain with 3.5 times 100 centimeters. We change this one, or we convert this mixed fraction as improper fraction. When we change this one as improper fraction, it will be, let us change into improper fraction. We take 2, yes, 2 times 3, what do we get? 6. Then 6 plus 1, it will be 7 all over 2 multiplied by 100. So in this case, you will take 7 times 100. What will you get? 700, isn't it? Then we divide by 2. 700 divided by 2, we can use long division method. We can use long division method. 7 divided by 2? 3. 7 divided by 2? 3. 3 times 2? 6. 7 minus 6? 1. We drop 0. When we drop 0, it becomes 10. 10 divided by 2? 5. 5 times 2? 10. When you take 10 divided by, minus 10, you get 0. Then you drop 0. As you drop 0, you also add there 0. So our answer will be 350 meters. 350 meters.